Get ready inside.
So amazing naman sa Bali. My name is Rian. I'll be a ranger during this safari journey today. So in this safari journey, you will see animals from 3 different areas: Indonesia, India, and also Africa. We're entering the first area, Indonesia. And the first animal on the right side over there, they call pig deer. They call pig deer because they basically look like pig, but only the male have upper toes look like deer centaur. And their upper toes can be used to attract the female and also as weapon when they are hiding. And on the left side over there, there is an owl in the hollow of the tree. Owl is a nocturnal animal, so they're more active and active. And they are carnivorous animals, so they will hunt small rodents like a rat.
A little bit of something. She's allergic.
And the next animal on the left side, down there, can you see the saltwater crocodile? There is a saltwater crocodile, the biggest reptile in the world. They can weigh up to 1 ton and can grow up to 6 meters in length. And crocodile will open their mouth when they feel hot, because they don't have a sweat gland on their body, so they must open their mouth to collect down their body. And on the right side over there, they call anoa, the smallest species of buffalo in the world. Here is 2 types of anoa: is the lowland anoa and mountain anoa. And over there is the lowland anoa. They can be found in the deep rainforest of Sulawesi Island. And the next animal, you will see the biggest mammal on land. Did you know what is it? Biggest mammal? Yeah, it's an elephant. So over here is Sumatran elephant, the second smallest elephant after pygmy elephant from Borneo. They can be up to 4 tons, and the largest elephant is African elephant, twice bigger than Sumatran elephant. Yeah, over there is the female Sumatran elephant because the female have a short toes. Only the male have a long toes. They are different with the African elephant because African elephant male and female have a long toes. And they can live up to 70 until 80 years.
They hold a very long weapon.
Welcome to Java Island. On the left side, the big size animal, they're called banteng. Banteng is one species of cattle from Java and have been domesticated for farming and called Bali cattle or Bali cow. They look very unique because they look like wearing socks on their leg. Can you see the white sock over there? And over there, not only banteng, we also have Javan deer. We have a herd of Javan deer. But not only in Java, they also can be found in Bali and Timor Island. And in Bali, we call it menjangan. And only the male have antlers. And in the mating season, the male Javan deer will decorate their horn with reeds or plant to attract the female. And on the left side at the corner over there with the black and white color, they are tapir. Tapir is close relative to rhino and horse family. They have a long snout, look like an anteater. But actually they are herbivorous animals, so they only eat plants, fruit, and also leaves. And they can be found in the South of America and East Asia. And the next animal, you will see my friend in the forest, the handsome one. Okay, have a look on the left side over here. There is an orangutan. Orangutan is species of ape, not monkey. Because monkey have tail and ape doesn't have tail. And they almost similar like a human because we share about 96% of our DNA with them. And they have fingerprint, and the female orangutan have a menstruation cycle. And did you know the pregnancy period of orangutan, it seems like human, is around 9 months. And they are very smart animal because the intelligence of orangutan is equal to 5 years old kid.
귤이야. 앞에 길이 없어.
And can you see the baby over there? Name is Benjiro. He's around 3 years old. We're entering the swamp. I hope we all can swim. Kita mau masuk ke dalam apa? And on the right side, can you see they are swimming? Yeah. With a gray color, they're called gibbon. Gibbon is the smallest species of ape in Asia. They are very unique because they are monogamous animals, so only have one partner in the whole life. Yeah, Gibbon is very loyal like me.
이용 아니야?
Give it.
이용 아니야?
And now you will see Winnie the Pooh. Okay, we're entering the water again, and the next animal on the left side is Winnie the Pooh. Over there is honey bear or sun bear. They call sun bear because they have marked like sun on their chest. And sun bear is the smallest species of bear in the world. Welcome to the rainforest of Sumatra. Now you'll see the king of the jungle. Did you know who is the king of the jungle?
King of the Jungle이 뭐야?
Yeah, it's a tiger.
타이거래, 타이거.
Oh, where is it? Oh, there you go. So over there is Jacinda, the oldest tiger here. It's around 9 years old. And tiger is the biggest cat in the world. They can weigh up to 300 kilograms. And they can eat a lot, around 6 kilograms of meat daily. And you are very lucky today because the tiger is 80. Yeah, you know they are nocturnal animals, so right now maybe they will sleeping. But actually they are 80. And you know, they can run so fast, around 65 kilometers per hour. And they can live up to 15 years and longer in captivity. Because in the captivity there is a hunter. So each month longer is around 25 years. Okay, right now we will cross another bumpy bridge. 1, 2, and 3. Let's say. And now we are going to India. So over here we have a heart of white spotted deer. Yeah, it's a Bambi. And they can be seen easily because they have white spot on their body. It seems like Java deer, only the male have antlers. And the antlers can be fall off and it will grow back again. Because their antlers made of keratin just like our deer. And not only in India, they also can be found in near India, like Nepal, Pakistan and also Bangladesh. And on the left side is another bear. The biggest bear in Asia. They call Himalayan black bear. They can weigh up to 120 kilograms and can grow up to 165 centimeters tall. And they can be found in the tropical forest around Himalayan mountain. And they also known as moon bear because they have marked by crescent moon on their chest. And they are omnivorous animals, so they will eat fruit, meat, and also insect. And it's all from India. Now we are going to Africa. They are hiding in the water on the right side. Yeah, in the water over there.
어? 오, 여기 길.
Can you see the hippo?
오 마이. 여기 온다. 여기.
Hippo is the third biggest mammal on land after the elephant and rhino. They can weigh up to 3 tons. And they can spend most of their time in the water to protect their skin from sunburn because they have very sensitive skin. So everyone, did you heard about the hippo is #1 killer in Africa? Did you heard about that?
진짜 크다.
Yeah, it's because hippo is a territory animal. So whoever enters the territory, they will kill it. That's why hippo can kill more human than lion or crocodile. And they can hold their breath up to 5 minutes in the water. It's quite long. This is a striped hyena, the second smallest hyena after our wolf. And hyena look like a dog, yeah? But actually they are not member of dog because hyena have their own family called hyenidae. And hyena is very unique because hyena can digest every part of their prey, including bones, fur, hair, nail, and also teeth.
나는 지웠는데.
둘이 내려달라고 그럴까? 이게 뭐야?
Welcome to African Savannah.
여기도 입고 있다.
Yeah, there is a baby hippo.
베이비네.
It's a big baby. On the left side, there is an ostrich, the biggest and the fastest bird in the world. They can weigh up to 150 kilograms and can grow up to 2 meters tall. They cannot fly, but they can run so fast, around 70 kilometers per hour. And on the right side, the biggest animal they call eland, the largest and slowest antelope in Africa. But they can jump so high, around 2.5 meters high. And not only the male, the female also have horn. And if the horn is broken, it cannot grow back anymore because their horn made of bone, not like deer. And eland can weigh up to 1 ton.
I want to see how big the lions are. I'm really curious. This is a bird that can only.
So on the left side with a golden brown color, they call lechwe. Lechwe is one of the fastest antelope in Africa. I'm sorry everyone, if you think it's a lion, it's not a lion. Because we have a program feeding the predators, so we change the lion into the Bengal tiger from India. But don't be sad, you will see the lion in other place. Okay? On the right side, we have two female giraffe, mother and daughter. The bigger one is the mother, name is Sophie, is around 14 years old. And the daughter name is Corona, is around 4 years old. Yeah, her name Corona because she was born during the pandemic.
Without the virus.
That's why they are already 4 years. And on the left side is our biggest species of all zebra. They call gravy zebra. And we have a couple, name is Nikki, the male one, and Gabby, the female. And their pattern or their stripe is different with other zebra, just like our fingerprint. So the baby, after they're born, will easily recognize their mother. You know, they must be aware behind the zebra because zebra will kick everything behind them. Yeah, maybe sometimes they will kill humans because they have a strong leg. And on the left side is two-hump camel, the largest of all camel. They can be found in the desert of Mongolia and China. And over here, the big size animal over here with a long horn, they call Watusi or African red cow. The Watusi is sacred animal for Maasai tribe, and Maasai tribe use Watusi as a dowry for tribal wedding. And they have a long horn, they can reach up to 1.8 meters from tip to tip. And on the Rocky Mountain over there is a mountain sheep or Barbary sheep. They live in the Rocky Mountain to avoid the predator, and the main predator is the leopard. And they can jump so high, around 2.5 meters high. And not only the male, and the male Barbary sheep have bigger horn than the female. Yeah, it's quite different with the mountain goat because the mountain sheep doesn't have a bird over here. And over there is a pelican. Yeah, pelican is one of the biggest water birds. They are very unique because they have elastic pouch under their beak. They can be used as a fish net to catch fish because they are carnivorous animal. And they also can carry around 3.5 liters of water in their pouch. Welcome to African Panorama. Now you will see the dinosaurs. On the right side is a rhinoceros. Rhino is the second biggest mammal on land after the elephant. They can weigh up to 3.5 tons. With a big size, they can run so fast, around 50 kilometers per hour. But only for rate because they have poor eyesight. But they have a good hearing and sense of smell. And they can eat a lot, around 80 kilograms of grass daily. And on the left side is the different zebra. Yeah, it's quite different. You know, they have three colors, black, white, and also brown. So brown is not dirty, it's genetic. They call Chapman zebra the smallest species of our zebra and can be found in the south of Africa. And on the left side over there, can you see our human? Yeah, on the left side is our recommendation Mara River Safari Lodge, so you can stay here and enjoy the African panorama. Yeah, on the left side is our wildebeest or gnu, the favorite food of crocodile and lion. And here you can see another giraffe. The bigger one is the singo, the father of Corona. And his new partner over there, name is Ashanti, is the 1, 5, and 3. On the left side is a restaurant that I said before is Savo Lion Restaurant. So you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a lion view.
Lion view.
Yeah, if you want to see the lion clearly, you can visit our restaurant because we also have a private room for the lion. And over there we have two male lions. Their names are Ego and Ego. Yeah, over there is Ego and Ego behind the jeep. Yeah, they are hiding. And you know, the job of the king or the male lion is to protect their pride and make sure their bloodline is continued. So in the mating season, the male lion can mate until 20 times per day. And they can sleep for a long time, it's around 20 hours per day.
차가 있었어. 근데 사람이 전혀 없었어.
And they can live up to 18 years old. And now we're gonna close the last bumpy bridge, yeah? Last bumpy bridge, let's say out for the last time. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, it's the last of bumpy bridge. And have a look on the right side over there is Enka Jiting, the house of Maasai tribe. It's made by a dung, mud, and also grass. And over here is banyan tree. And now we are going back to Indonesia. So in Indonesia, you will see another Sumatran elephant with a closer look. And did you know, the pregnancy period of elephant is around 22 months, almost 2 years. And the baby can weigh up to 120 kilograms. It's a big baby. And they can spend around 16 hours only for eating. They will stop eating when they are asleep. So they can eat around 200 kilograms of grass.